nobody business. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, big ups to you, South Africa. Big ups to you, UK. Big ups to you, US. Big ups to you, Kenya. Big ups to you, Nigeria. Big ups to you, Togo. Big ups to you, Cote d'Ivoire. Big ups to you all. Wherever, Germany, Canada, wherever you are watching me from, this is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. I'm doing it like nobody business. Let's go, let's go, let's go. As you guys can see, let's go. Professional barber from West Africa, Ghana, displaying his talent. As you guys can see, displaying the talent. He is a professional, a professionalism. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Joe, Ash, Ush, Ush, Kash. Your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. As you guys can see, yes, you're doing it like nobody business. The shape is nice. The shape is nice. Afro taper fit every hairstyle you can get it here. When you come across this video, make sure you subscribe, you follow me on all social media platforms. Number one stylist from West Africa, Ghana. Hey, number one stylist, number one stylist. Stylist from West Africa, Ghana, displaying his talent. This is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
taga min shaman shindar ma ya taga je tuni mahiyataga jetroni
Lotus